When you look at doing quantitative research, when we do pilots and we engage with hundreds of participants or thousands of participants, there are some techniques where you feel, okay, what type of diversity do you want? You want geographic diversity, you want age, gender, race, ethnicity diversity. So there are some statistical techniques that you use to make sure that you get representation in those populations. So it all depends on the type of research you're doing. Sometimes, I'll take Kansas as an example, if we want to find out more about rural participants or participants living in agricultural communities, you tend to oversample. If you're doing qualitative research, you're really talking about smaller samples. I would say you would go between 10 to about 40, because you do tend to spend a lot more time, focused time with participants, about 1 to 1.5 hours. And even though it's a small sample, what you want is kind of a broad spectrum of different perspectives. So you try to hit kind of extremes, like just to figure out what the world of opinions may look like. And again, every time you would think about what you want to prioritize, right? You can't do everything. Honing in on what it is you want to find out, and then figuring out what type of diversity you're looking for is super important.